Hi and welcome. Here I am with my latest project. So, as you may remember, I had a VCR and I had a computer, and I want to put the inside of the computer inside of VCR. So, as you may saw before, I removed everything, all the internals from this VCR, and look at this. I already fitted the computer inside, everything in fully functional order. All I did was basically I removed everything inside. There was like the standoffs, plastic standoffs, so I cut them off. Obviously I needed some support for the motherboard, so I used 6mm MDF and I used some proper motherboard standoffs. So as it is, it's looking great. Got the power supply unit installed. I've got one hard drive just to run some more tests. I'll be honest with you, I've been cheating a bit. The reason is I had to check the temperatures, because obviously this is very small, very compact, and I wanted to make sure that I had good temperatures. And I do have good temperatures. Right here on the front, I installed everything as it was originally. So the AV3 phono input, I had to cut some bits off. I used hot glue, glued on the sensor in here and the sensor in there, and I tried to use the original switch on and off from the VCR to work with the PC, and it wasn't working. So what I did was, with a bit of hot glue, I used the existing switch. So now, just to turn it on or off, I just press it here. Not only prevents stuff going inside the PC, but also good use. So let's get this in position. So I'm going like so. Fantastic. Now bottom one is done. Another thing, I didn't use any new part apart from the motherboard. I've upgraded some RAM, so I've got a bit more RAM, but all the cables, even the SATA cable, was existing from this PC. So if you want to do this on a low budget, you can't go any lower than this. So now I have the lid, and bear in mind one thing, I've had this running for a couple of days, checked the temperatures, and they all look fine. Oh, I forgot to mention something, by the way. On the hard drive, on the hard drive, I used a bit of perspex in here. The reason is to isolate the hard drive from the PSU. You can use some rubber mounts as well, so it's down to you. The reason why I did this is because it's easy to drill a couple of holes to secure it properly, and then just one hole. This hole was already here, so it worked out a treat. So let's close this off. Right, so. And in here, doesn't want to go. What's the matter? There we go. So just get some screws, and we have a PC. So I don't know if you've seen online, but a lot of people build sleepers. What's a sleeper? Basically, you get a big old case and you fit top of the range components inside, so you have a proper machine. That's called a sleeper. So you see the outside and you don't know what's inside. I wanted my take on a sleeper, but with a twist. So this is why I came across this idea. I was fortunate enough to find a computer that was small enough to fit inside, so that was very handy as well. And I was fortunate enough to find a VCR. Oh, one thing I need to show you. The back. It's not very pretty, I must admit it's not very pretty, but I could cover all this up, but if I was to cover this, I'll have less airflow. So all of this has a purpose. And bear in mind, it does look like a VCR. Probably a bit heavier than a VCR, but I think it looks cool. My next video will be setting up the server, so I'm just going through different programs just to see which one to suit me best for my needs. I installed already on this one here just for a bit of fun, as I was running temperatures, Plex server, media server, so I could actually stream content from this PC into a tablet, into a phone, as long as it had the Plex app. Also on my TV, because it's a smart TV, it was super easy to play content from this computer via network. But I want more than that. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell button so you know when my next video will come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.